Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio mousse cake. First, we'll create a delicate pistachio sponge cake. This forms the essential foundation for our mousse. Bake it in a 9-inch round pan and let it cool completely. A perfectly cooled cake prevents the mousse from melting prematurely, ensuring a beautiful, stable dessert. This initial step is crucial for success. Next, let's craft the star of our show, the pistachio mousse. Start by blooming 2 1/2 teaspoons of gelatin in cold water. Gently fold 3/4 of a cup of high-quality pistachio paste into 1 1/2 cups of softly whipped heavy cream. This creates a light, airy texture. The key is to mix until just combined, preserving that wonderful mousse consistency. Now for assembly. Place your cooled pistachio sponge cake back into a clean 9-inch springform pan. Carefully pour the luscious pistachio mousse over the cake layer, spreading it evenly to the edges. This creates a smooth, elegant top. Refrigerate the cake for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the mousse to set perfectly. Patience here is key for a firm, sliceable cake. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Once your pistachio mousse cake is perfectly set, carefully remove it from the springform pan. Garnish with a sprinkle of finely chopped pistachios and a few fresh berries for a pop of color. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds an elegant finish. Serve this delightful cake chilled to fully appreciate its creamy texture and rich pistachio flavor. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.